Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of your 31-day journey. Today, you are going to get two things. Number one, a video from me. Number two, an ebook from me. And in that ebook, it's going to explain to you exactly what we are doing for the 31 days. I told you it should only take you anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour each day. It depends on how much you want to spend in your one thing. So, yesterday, day one, I asked you to do what? Yes, define what the one thing is for you. And so today we're going to talk about root causes. So, a root cause basically is what is the reason or the rationale or the one finite reason, or maybe it's a group of reasons, why I have not been successful in what I chose as number one. So, what I want you to do is to be prepared to have a very candid conversation with yourself today. And what we're going to do in this model, every single day, I'll give you a mini video and I will ask you to take in your air. What action are you going to take based on the ebook? What intention will you take on that day towards your one goal? And what reflection will you have about your journey? That's it. And in 31 days, you're going to see that you now have a blueprint in place to be successful in any one thing you decide. So at the 31st day, you may decide to continue on your one goal, or you may have that one down and say, I'm going to move to something else. You can even modify your goal. But while we're locked in these 31 days, I want you to keep that one thing consistent. All right. So I hope you're ready for this journey. I appreciate you for rocking with your girl as the conflict chick, as your friend, as somebody you work with or have worked with in the past. I just really appreciate you. And above all things, I am grateful that you finally decide to do this for yourself. So on Friday, we will have a call, and I am so excited about Friday. So it will be on Facebook. You'll get a Facebook invite. And in that invite, I'll go live and we'll all be there together. Okay? We do also have the option of Zoom and having a recording. So I'll do a combination of the two and you will let me know what you like best. Okay? Have an amazing day. If you get stuck or have questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My number is 615-602-6266. Until then, have an amazing day and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.